Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. Da da da. Da, da, da. Guys, I don't know. I don't remember the song. I'm sorry, man. I can't sing. But anyways, in this video, we're going to talk about Pikaster. Pikaster is the first IGO project on the KuCoin platform. What is IGO? Well, it's the initial game offering. So Pikaster is going to be a card battle game that is going to feature Pikaster NFTs. So they're going to be like little... They look like Pokemon. Come on. But we'll go ahead and get into this video and explain what this project is. So in today's KuCoin DigiDive, we're going to talk about Pikaster. Let's go ahead and get into this. So we're going to go ahead and check out this cool landing page, and I'm going to go ahead and shrink my face. As you guys can see here, you kind of got like a little Pokemon style. I mean, dude, I'm pretty sure that is a Magikarp. Like, I know that's a Magikarp. Oh, no. That's Magikarp and that's Pikachu. I know like 100%, but it's not. It'll have the same exact type of gameplay as it does in Pokemon. You're going to be battling each other. You can also run around in the forest type of thing. So it's going to be kind of fun. And you can actually earn different tokens. But it's not just like, yeah, my guy beats yours because it's better, or my guy beats yours because it has a higher level. There's actually strategy involved in this. I'll show you a quick tidbit right here. As you can see, there are 6 different types of classes. So just like you have in Pokemon, fire is like poo-poo against water, and then fire is killer against grass. It's that type of thing. So you can see you have grass, bug, water, lightning, fire, and fighting. So as you can see here, this kind of like is saying grass restrains water, so grass beats water in this case. In my opinion, yeah, I think it would. Not because it restrains, but grass like sucks up the water. I don't know. I just think weird. And then of course you have evolution. So just like the Pokemons evolve in the Pokemon game, it's the same thing with Pikaster. So guys, keep that in mind. Like if you played Pokemon, you will understand this game 100%. It's pretty saucy. Now, a couple of other game mechanics you need to know about is a player needs to choose 3 to 5 to enter into the battlefield. And I mean, dude, come on. You know these are Pokemon. Like, look at this. That is definitely Bulbasaur. That is Magikarp to a T. That is that one Pokemon. I can't even remember his name. And that's like that burn. I don't know. I can't remember his name. But these literally look like Pokemon. This is saucy. So how the gameplay will start is you'll have 6 random cards and 3 random cards at the beginning of each turn. So once 2 players click the battle button, the battle will begin immediately. So you have to use your skill card, and it will consume 2 energy points. And the energy points will increase by 1 to 2 points every turn. So that's something you keep in mind as well. It's literally the same idea of Pokemon. Like you only have so many attacks that you can use. And if your health bar gets too low, when you get weak, you got to go recover, etc. Same concept, same junk, different day. All right, so you have different types of battle mode too. You have 4 different kinds. You have the PvP battle. This is like where you're battling against other players. So this is pretty saucy, and you get like bounties and you win from it. I'll explain the rewards later. So you'll get different rewards. Like there's the SRBS rewards, there's the RBS rewards, and then the MLS rewards. I'll explain that later. Don't worry. Let's just go and get into the deets on this. You also have PvE Adventure. So TLDR, PvE Adventure is like this. You run around with your Pokemon, and then you're inside the grass in the forest, and then you... Dun, 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 dun. I can't even think of the song. But you run into the Pokemon, and it's like, oh no, what the snap? That is where the PvE Adventure takes into place. And you attack the Pokemon, you win, and you get rewards. So it's like, yeah, this is cool. And then you also have guild play. So this is like a team type of thing. So you can team up with other players and be a part of a guild. And if you win, you're rewarded. Apparently, like it says here, handsomely. Whatever. Who cares? Now, guild play is like where players join together and band together. And I win, you win, she wins, and it helps our guild. And it's awesome. And then you also have special weather gameplay. Like, say, for example, you have water Pokemon and it's raining out. Or just things like that. It helps increase your Pokemon in general. Like you can see here, under a searing sun, all fire-related skill effects will receive a boost. However, when a hot sun is coupled with a rainy day, foggy weather will result, which will strengthen bugs and some water attributes. As you can see here, it's kind of creative. It just like throws a random, what is that? A hatchet into the box? I don't know. Whatever the saying is. And you can also breed these guys, which is really cool. So breeding goes to the burning of the MLS, RBS, and SRBS. So those tokens I just mentioned, you can get those by playing the games. So this creates the burn pressure to create that cyclical economy that allows the healthy burning / healthy minting to keep the economy going. So it's kind of cool because the incentive for playing these games is to earn these tokens. However, if there's no burning on these tokens, then the token price go to zero. That's how you can keep that in mind. Just like I mentioned, you can evolve your character. And when you evolve the character, it actually gets stronger, better, and the attacks are better. So it's kind of cool. Let's go and get into the token economics. These are the different tokens you have: MLS, SRBS, and RBS. MLS, you can kind of look at this like the governance token. As you can see here, there's 200 million of these tokens that were issued. TLDR, this is the governance token. That's the most you need to know about this. Next is the SRBS and RBS. There's a total of 1 billion SRBS and 10 billion RBS. So these are like your SLP tokens that you get for playing the game. So right now, like I mentioned to you guys, KuCoin is doing the initial game offering. There actually is a Pikaster IGO whitelist. You guys can join this. I'll leave a link in the description below as well so you guys can check it out. It's like a little gleam.io. You just like put in your email and do all kinds of fun stuff. So you guys can do this here as well. And then when the KuCoin IGO comes out, you will actually be able to mint these eggs and you can buy these. This will be kind of cool. Like seriously, I love the Pokemon style and the Pokemon vibes. And I mean, come on, join us on a journey. This will be fun. Dude, these guys are like the coolest thing in the world. Seriously. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys get the concept of the game. Just so you guys can see here, I want to show you a couple of their partners and investors. At the bottom, you can see you got KuCoin, AWS, Unitech, PeckShield, Kirin, Metaspace, Chain Capital. Overall, what are my thoughts on Pikaster? I think it's a really interesting NFT game. I feel that it kind of took a little bit or most of its ideas from Pokemon, but Pokemon is not on the blockchain. So I love Pokemon. I like crypto, but crypto and Pokemon in one, what the snap? This will be a cool type of NFT game. I'm not saying it's going to do well. I'm not saying it's going to do bad. Time will tell. We'll see what happens. Me personally, if I was interested in this game, I would be more interested in the NFTs. And since the MLS and SRBS and the RBS tokens are tokens that can be earned, I'm the type of guy that would go out there and get the NFT and use the NFT to earn those tokens for me. Now, the success of the game and the success of the NFTs will determine those token prices usually. Just take a look at Axie Infinity and use that as your benchmark. Thanks for watching this KuCoin DigiDive. And if you guys enjoyed this video on the KuCoin YouTube channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the KuCoin channel. And if you would like to go ahead and get started trading, there's a link in the description below that will allow you to get started with 20% off trading fees. See you guys in the next one.